up? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're in a robe with no face makeup on because we're doing skincare. Today we're going to be testing out Olay's new clay stick masks. So if you want to see how this product works, then just keep watching. So Olay just came out with some masks in the stick form. As far as I can see, they have 3 of them. They have a glow boost one, a pore detox, and a fresh reset one. I got mine at Target for $9.99. I am on Olay's website and they retail for $13.49 on their website. So go to Target. So the one I have is the pore detox, and this one is perfect for your T-zone or an all-over deep clean. And then the one that is the glow boost is for dull patches or all-over natural glow. And then the fresh start is perfect for a targeted fresh or an all-over skin reset. I really wanted that one, the pink one, but they didn't have it at my store. They were sold out. They only had this and the other one, the glow boost. But I'd rather do this one because I do have like some spots that are just sticking as it won't come up, but it's just like staying there, and it's done that for a while, so I want to use this to hopefully get that out. I'm just going to read the back of this real quick. So it says, the clay stick masks are formulated with premium, kaolin clay? It's K-A-O-L-I-N. I don't know how to say that. Clay that micro exfoliates to remove skin dulling impurities. It's perfect for precise application when multi-masking. Ooh, that would actually be smart. And especially convenient for masking on the go, works efficiently without drying out skin or leaving a tight feel. So it says you are to apply the mask generously to a clean, dry face and let it sit for 10 minutes and then rinse with water. The thing I'm most excited about this is that it's in a stick form, because I love masking and I hate masking because it's just so messy. So to me, this is genius. Now, if we could go from this and having to rinse it off to like one of those, what's it called? Like magnetized ones inside of one of these, that would be like my dream. To where you can put it on with a stick and then use a magnet to take it off. I would love that because it's just so messy. Let me tell you a little bit about the stick if we can find some details. So it's 1.7 ounces. It does say it's good for 6 months. Yeah, that's all there is to say. Let me take this off. Okay, only downfall I'm seeing so far is there's not like perforated lines to rip it off the plastic, so we're just gonna try cutting. So it does say to have your face dry, so we'll do that, and then to apply a generous amount. Try to put my hair back as far as I could. Ooh, it's cold. Oh, it's so cold. It smells really good. I don't know how to explain the smell. It just smells really good. I do notice sometimes when you go back over, it is taking the product off, but it seems like if you keep going over, it's fine. I'm gonna let this sit for 10 minutes and then we'll be right back. It has been 10 minutes. My face is pretty hard. So it does say to rinse with water, but I want to take it off with you guys, so I'm just going to use a wet cloth. If it doesn't work, then I'll go to the bathroom and finish, but I'm sure it'll be fine. It comes off so easily. I was afraid I'd have to tug with the rag. Nope. So now that that's off, I do see a slight difference with my skin. Obviously, I don't feel with skin masks like that, charcoal mask, you see a huge difference after one time. I feel like those kind of things, it's like an over time thing, but I do see a slight difference with my pores right here, and especially on my nose. My skin feels really nice. My thoughts, I'm obsessed with this. I'm definitely going to go buy the other 2, and I hope they come out with other kinds besides just the 3. But so far, I love this. I love how easy it was to apply, and it's really not messy at all. And it came off so easily with the rag, so I'm positive that doing it, you know, normal rinsing with water, it's going to come off really nicely. And I mean, it's $10. I really like this stuff. It smells good, which is weird to smell that, but it smells really good. And I feel like this would be really nice for like traveling, because I mean, I feel like you should take a mask, especially with traveling. Your pores get clogged, and this one specifically, the pore detox, I think would be really nice to take with you traveling. And I'm sure because it's not a liquid, you can get through TSA really nicely. And granted, most other ones aren't, but I just feel like it's so much easier because I would not want to have it be that messy if I was traveling. I don't want it that messy at home. So yeah, I actually really like this, and I'm gonna have to keep watching my store to see, or go to a different store to find the pink one especially. But yeah, that's all I have for this video. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.